I just got the service suspension soon. I did the hard reset with the emergency button or hazard button and then the outer left. So it's gonna restart. This is the third time since I've owned the vehicle, which really has not even been that long, about, what are we, 10 days-ish in? Okay, there's the car. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. That should wake it up. And if there's still an error, it would be down there. Looks like I'm in the clear. That's just a weird glitchy thing. So now we're gonna go into drive. Yeah, strange. We're good again. Keep an eye on it. I'm in a Kia. This is an EV6. Why am I in a Kia? Well, it's actually a longer story. I did buy some merch with my points, so thanks for using my points. Yes. So here's the deal. When I first got the vehicle, I noticed like every other or every second time I would use the vehicle, it did not matter the distance. I could go for 80 miles in a shot and it wouldn't throw an error. And then it would get the service suspension soon warning. So I ignored it. I thought, well, reset. I called Rivian. They said, yeah, just try to do the reset. Did that. And then, but it kept coming back. And then I kept thinking, well, maybe this next update will fix it. I did that update. It didn't make a difference. So kind of where I'm sitting, I thought, okay, well, let me go ahead and bring it in. So they finally agreed it was best to bring it in. So they were very communicative, if I can say that. And I brought it in. You can see on the app, and I can show you, but they show you on the app like what the deal is. They did some diagnostics, cleaned some stuff up, reset some stuff, and then they thought they fixed it. I thought they fixed it too because I actually had an engineer come with me in the car. We drove it around and it worked fine. So I thought, okay, they got it. I stopped the vehicle, was getting ready to switch stuff from the Kia EV6 over back to the Rivian. We had some places to go. And then just as I start the vehicle up right there at Rivian Service Center, it threw the error. So that's what I was telling the guy. I said, that was what I was trying to tell everybody. I don't think they were totally listening. It wasn't the distance that you would drive in the car. It's the number of times you would start the vehicle. So now the latest news is they are going to switch out some components and then it should be done tomorrow. So all in, they had it on December 9th. It's December 17th. But at least they've been super cool. Gave me the EV6. I've had that the whole time. And they've been communicating with me pretty much every day. There was just one day they did not, and that was yesterday. But every day I had someone actually call me and reach out to me. So, I mean, the one day is not a big deal because that's when they were reviewing everything after I had been there on the Saturday to pick it up. Then Sunday, obviously they're not working. Monday it kicked in. And I wasn't really expecting a call because, someone's got to take the time to look at it. They did get back to me today, and they told me I should be able to pick it up tomorrow. So we'll see. That was it. I mean, I'm being very transparent. That is the only thing I would say that, was a mechanical issue that I've seen. I've not owned the vehicle very long, as you know, but that was the one thing that kind of kicked in from the time I owned it. I just wasn't sure what the problem was. I didn't know if it was going to go away. I didn't know if a software update would fix it. That's why I didn't immediately jump on it and broadcast it because I wasn't sure what was going on. But now that's what we know, and you're seeing the results of that as well. I will film again when I pick up the vehicle, and it should be in the clear. So that's tomorrow, hopefully. Depends on traffic and timing, but hopefully we pick it up tomorrow. And then I'll let everybody know how it looks. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you want to watch how all the little events fold out, please do subscribe. Like the video, it helps the channel, pushes it out there. Thank you very much.